Hi, what's good with y'all boys? This is going to be a daily review for May 22nd. I just took one loss today. It was a very small loss because I de-risked, but it's still a loss. I'm just going to start on the 1 hour chart probably. This right here marks the start of the day, and going in we had an SMT that was right here. So the dotted lines, that was an SMT. I'm not going to lie, dude, the bias could have gone either way for this, but since the S&P swept both of these highs like right here. This was pre-market. This was May 21st. This was I think at 11 o'clock or some shit like that. Swept both of these. Same thing on actually wait no. Yeah, same thing on here. This was already swept. So honestly, dude, the bias could have gone either way for today. One thing to note is that on the 2 hour time frame on the S&P, there is a fair value gap right there. I had this marked out, and by the time market opened, we were in an SMT. The S&P did not make a high. The Nasdaq did make a higher high, right in here. So yeah, that's something to also note. If it held this, then well, because it was holding this, I was just bearish on the day for the most part, at least until it started sweeping all these. Because with these three lows right here, I thought it was gonna go down on the Nasdaq, at least to like here or here. S&P, I mean, I don't even know, dude. Price is just kind of uncorrelated. Like I said, we're at all-time highs, but at market open, price had basically came down, came back up a little bit. Like I said, it was in this SMT, and it was holding this 2 hour fair value gap on the S&P. So I'm like, and also something to note, there were a ton of stacked lows right in here. So the first trade I took was about 10 o'clock Central Time. And I saw all these stacked lows right here. There were two perfect equal lows right here. The S&P had some stacked lows, but there was a 15-minute fair value gap here. Same, actually, I don't know. Price was pretty choppy, so I de-risked because of this. But I do think it was a pretty good trade, just because right in here, this was like a little turtle soup entry. When it came back up and it swept this low into the fair value gap. I thought this would be the last move before it pushed down and swept all of these lows right here. I would not be surprised if it had done that, so I entered. There were equal highs right up here, so I kind of let my stop loss be a little bit looser. But it came back up, and then it instantly bounced off. I thought it was about to get wicked out, and it was just going to go straight to my TP, but no, it just went straight back up, and then fucked around, and then came down. And yeah, I don't know. Price was just kind of weird today. That's why I de-risked, but I'm fine taking this loss. I don't really know what else to say. That's pretty much it. Price ended up coming down and almost sweeping this low on Nasdaq. But as of right now, we have these stacked lows right here. Yeah, I guess it's just generating liquidity. And the S&P already fucking took off. I don't even know, dude. Look, this is in an SMT right here. I don't even know what market's doing at this point. What the fuck? Alright, that's all I got. I'll see y'all.